Doing a little bit of trial and error here. We just seeing where we got to cut. Got to take another 6.5 inches off of that. She should slide up into there. And then we'll just have to add a little piece on the back here. We'll scab it together, I guess, and carpet it. Oh, sorry, paint it, then carpet it. Alright, we got some sides cut. I don't know if you can see it in the picture. Got some lines cut in the wood. I'm going to have to nip out a little bit of wood there so the cables can get in underneath the fiberglass over there. We got a piece of wood over here. We're just going to bring them off now and just throw some paint on them. But we're getting there. You know, it's might not be the prettiest thing in the world, but it's not meant to be. It's meant to be enjoyed. It's not a proper reconstruction. It's just getting me by so I can use it for a few years. You know what I mean? Not even getting it by, just it'll be usable. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere. So yeah, that's where we are so far. Oh yeah, I mounted that thing. It was getting annoying. That's pretty much dry now. Dries pretty quick, this stuff. And we get a little bit of time there later on tonight. We're putting them in, and well, I guess the fit really isn't going to change. Might as well just wait till I get my carpet in, put these in. Okay, I gotta friggin' slow down here. I'm getting ahead of myself. I forgot to film. I keep getting everything done here. So anyway, yeah, I've used more glue than I thought to glue this bugger down. So this is all glued down. This is good to go. It doesn't matter what it looks like along the edges because I got that other piece to go in here still. Up here, I've probably got, I don't know, a third, not even. Well, maybe a little more than a third, maybe half, whatever, of that glued down. So I just went and picked up some more glue. Gonna have to get in there, re-glue it, put my little, put my hinge on the door, and I gotta go and glue all these down. What else? Yeah, picked up some hardware to mount the seats when they come in to this, actually to mount the swivels down now. Okay, yeah, so you better get cracking here and let's get some stuff done. Mind the sealant. I couldn't get the best cut around on the wood, so I used this foam crap just to seal it up. Not the greatest, but I'm gonna try to find some kind of a rubber trim piece or some kind of thing to go around here just to keep it all pretty. But so I got a hinge on. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this old crappy dollar store ratchet strap. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna double it back on itself. I'm gonna screw it in from the back here so it's got like a little bit of a handle to grab onto, like that. Perfect. Now I can keep my life jackets down here, throw an anchor in there, and it's just closed. To glue this carpet down, I have to cut a hole so that can, like, carpet's all stuck. Again, guys, this is not the professional way to do this, but it is a good way to do it, and it works for me. Deck's all mounted in the front. Seat's not mounted yet. But, here's a little handle to lift her up. Bit of a hump there from the hinge, but I can handle that. So now it's time. We're gonna glue the shit out of this, flip it over onto here, trace it out, cut it out, and this one here is going to be for the side right there. And I'll get the other one. That's right there. We'll do the same. Flick her down here, tape her up, paint her up, glue it up, whatever, and it's gonna be for on the inside over here. We got one side carpeted. Awesome. One more to go. I'm done with that damn glue. I still gotta, you know, roll my edges and whatnot and flip them around the side so they look pretty. But yeah, we are almost done with this part, thank God, because I do not like that stuff. What's up, guys? Well, it's the next day. The rain is pretty much gone. Let's get this thing uncovered. My buddy gave this to me the other day. I don't know why I took it. It's too damn small. Damn it. Woo! It's getting warm in here. But she's taking shape. Looking more and more like a boat every day. Got some stainless screws. It's dirty as hell back there. And check that out. She's kind of looking like a boat, you know, minus the seats. Now what to do with this? Should make it into 2 parts? Or just one big cover back there. Okay, let's change out some rubbers. Stupid me. I only bought one of those. And I'm gonna put it right here. As you can tell, that one's totally split and it's screwing up the boat. This one here, oh, that's actually perfectly fine. I like these ones better. So we got the one done. That looks way better. Under here, turns out I don't have the proper size for that one, so it's got to stay there for now. The one I did buy is for back here, but apparently it's like a sealed unit or something like that. So I think we're gonna have to wait till the boat is off the trailer, and we'll have to grind it out, drill it out, change it out, and modify it to work. And it's another awesome day. We well, not too awesome. I mean, we got hammered with some rain last night. Floor's got a little bit wet in here, but not too bad. The glue probably had enough time to fully cure, I'm hoping. But yeah, we got our seats in the mail today. Time to put them onto the swivels, onto our, what do you call it there, my little pedestals and the swivels. Oh, I must say, not too bad, not too bad. Looking more and more like a boat every day. Friggin' awesome. Nice and swivelly. So if I'm pulling a tube or something, someone can watch from the front. Perfect. Might have to give in and get rid of the freebie and get a matching seat up there. Actually, no. Get one of those little thin little removable pedestals with a little baby butt seat. Out with the old, in with the new. Now, because I'm not using a typical rope to tie this up, usually, you know, you're running your ropes through, in and out, whatever the hell it is. This is what they send you to tie your rope down in there somewhere. But since I'm not using that, I got to use this bolt here, and I got to run it across here because I'm using a strap. That's to hold the strap in. You thought I was going to say strap on, didn't you?